Welcome to the Highway channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to start a garden from scratch. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, this guide will help you get started on creating your own beautiful garden. Before we get started, let's talk about the first step in starting a garden: choosing a location. When selecting a location, it's important to consider things like sunlight, soil, and water drainage. Once you've chosen a location, it's time to prepare the soil. This can involve removing any existing grass or weeds and adding in compost or other organic matter to improve the soil's fertility. Next, it's time to decide what you want to plant. Do you want a flower garden, a vegetable garden, or a combination of both? It's important to choose plants that will thrive in your climate and soil conditions. Once you've chosen your plants, it's time to start planting. Be sure to follow the instructions on the seed packets or plant labels, and give your new garden a good watering. And that's it. With a little bit of patience and care, your garden will soon be flourishing. Remember to keep an eye on the weather and water your plants as needed. And don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.